Good morning. So today we are continuing talking about how do we study objects in outer space. So yesterday we talked a little bit about objects like the astrolabe and the sextant. Today we're going to kind of talk a little bit more. So a star swirl on film. So here's a photo of the night sky with the shutter left open. The star appears to move in the circular arcs. The North Star is the star in the center. So today we're going to be talking about the North Star. And that little bright light in the middle is the North Star. So the importance of the North Star. The position of the North Star is fixed throughout the night. And so the angle of elevation of the North Star remains constant throughout the night. Therefore, you can use the North Star to do two things. Tell where the north is and tell your latitude. So the North Star helps us tell where is the north and what latitude we are in. So how the North Star is viewed from Earth. The North Star's position in the sky changes as you move from the North Pole to the equator. It moves from being directly overhead to sinking down to the horizon. The North Star at the North Pole. At the North Pole, the North Star is directly overhead. So if we were to go to the North Pole, the North Star would be directly over our head, straight in the air. So if we were at the equator, the North Star would be at the horizon. So it would kind of look like, if we look straight out, we would kind of see it straight in front of us. So finding our latitude. If you measure the angle of elevation of the North Star, you can determine your latitude on the map. Angle of elevation equals latitude on the map. So the sextant. Yesterday we talked about this and I had a link for you guys to use to check it out. But here is a good definition. So the sextant was a tool that mariners used to measure the angle of elevation of the stars and the sun. So the sextant was used to measure elevation of the stars and the sun. So a fisherman using a sextant. Here's a fisherman measuring the angle of elevation using the sun. Measuring the angle of elevation of the sun. Once you finish watching this video,